Alright. Kuya, kaya mo pa ba yan? Mga po natin, Kim Chu and Stian Lim. When your legs don't work, when I count to you on the feet, would your mouth still remember the taste of love? Yes. Would your eyes still smile from your cheeks? Go, Kim!
Loving you till we're 70. Put your hands up.
Oh!
Baby, what? Simple as heart of 23. I'm thinking about people fall in love in mysterious ways. Maybe it's the thought of a man. Me, I'm fall in love with you every single day. I just wanna tell you I am. Sabihin niyo kami! Take me into your loving arms. Kiss me under the light of 1,000 stars. Place your hand on my beating heart. Feel out, we found love right where we are.
When my hair's all gone and my memory fades. Yeah! Yeah! And the crowds don't remember my name.
Binigla niyo lang siya dito Hindi siya ready.
Don't make mistakes the same way.
Pero may backup. Ano nga ba to? Loving you
So,
never grow old, it's evergreen.
baby, your smile is forever and
My mind and memories.
I'm thinking about how
People fall in love in mysterious ways. Maybe it's all part of a plan.
I'll continue to make it
Put your hands up!
stay. Let's wave it now, baby now. Woo!
Take me into your loving arms.
Sabay yung Mr. Kim and Sian.
Kiss me under the light of 1,000 stars. Place your hand on my beating heart. Feel out, we found love right where we are.
Happy Valentine's Day po sa inyo lahat. Pero Kim, di ba merong Tagalog version nyo?
Hindi po siya handa, pero nag-ready po siya ng Tagalog version ng TikTok.
Try natin yung Tagalog version nito.
Nabigla lang po siya sa kanyang to.
Oh, mahal ko. Yo! Ikaw lang ang nag-iisa. Sa lahat ng tala, ikaw ay iba. Yakap mo ang hanap sa tuwina. At aking kapagtanto na tayo'y pinagtagpo ng baka mo.
Ang mo,
Ng baka mo.
lahat.
Ayan na.
Hindi na tinagalog yung singing out
Na
loud.
tayo pinagdahal ko.
Chinese naman, Chinese.
Oh, ikaw sa Chinese. Yeah.
Chinese siya, record.
Ayan na, okay. So maraming salamat po. And thank you again for coming. Mom, happy Valentine's Day. Lola, happy Valentine's
Happy
Day.
Valentine's.
And to your
Happy
friends.
Valentine's sa lahat ng mga friends namin na nandito.
Sa aming supporters, we love you guys.
Yes, Kat J, Kim Cho Global, Tropang Kimoy, Team Kim C, Sean
Angat niyo yung banners nyo. Sunshine Lovers. Kat G. Tropang Kim Uy. KX Angels.
Angels, thank
Sean
you.
Merly. Ayan, maraming salamat po. We love you guys.
Alright.
Yun na yung pangalan
Happy
ko.
Valentine's Day ulit. And thank you once again. See you later.
Happy Valentine's Day, guys. Thank you.
Thank you. Maraming salamat.
Thank you
Enjoy.
so much. Thank you,
Enjoy
bro.
Valentine's
Happy
Day.
Valentine's Day. Thank you, Kimmy. At yung, once again, to the little boy, yung, paalala po ulit, to the parents or the guardians, yung batang yung little boy, na 2 years old, ayaw ko sabihin na kanyang pangalan, he is still there, the little boy is still there. So kung gusto nyo po i-claim yung